Okay, so we cut our first piece out. So now we can use this as a pattern to cut the other two pieces that we're going to need for the center. There's one. That's the second one. So now we got our three center pieces figured here. And again, we're going to use a 1x10. And what we want to do is we want to figure this piece here. So we're going to have to go this direction. Because we want this to be longer here. I'm just going to make some marks here so I know where to set this on my piece. Because this is the part that is going to have our neck piece on there. This is going to be for our cheek. Let's draw this out and this out here. And if we put this, move this out to here, then we'll round this part off, and this is going to be our cheek area. Cut this out. So we're going to need two of these. And we will not cut this out here at this time. This will get cut across somewhere in here and in here. So we'll cut this part out when we're ready for that. So what we'll do is we'll cut this out, and then we'll use this piece as a pattern to make our second piece for this. And then the last part is going to be incorporating this. That's going to work. So I'm going to make this a little bit longer. This is just so I have a little bit more to taper down for the neck part. This is going to be our very outside piece. And we will need 2 of these. So again, what we'll do is we'll cut this out, use it as a pattern to mark our other one, so we have all of them the same size. So we're going to get these cut out, cut out our other 2 for our inside 3 pieces, and then we'll come back. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.